This video is to help you get your HTML website started. It's Mr. Gower speaking here. First thing you need to do is to open a version of Notepad where we're going to write our code in. So in the search bar down here, type in Notepad and it should come up there. So press open. Okay, so we're going to do all our coding in here. First thing you need to do is to open a tag and type exclamation mark doc type HTML. Now what that does is it tells the web browser that our document is an HTML file. You then press enter, open a new tag, write HTML, close that tag, and whenever we start a tag like this we're going to make sure we close it so that we don't forget to do that later. So I've opened the tag /HTML. Now before we do anything else we need to make sure we save this, and this step is very important that you do it correctly. So press file and then save as, and then I'm going to make a new folder on my desktop called HTML project. I'm going to go into that folder. Now I'm going to call my my website cities, because my website is going to be about cities, but you can choose to do yours about whatever you want. But I'm going to write cities, and then this is a very important step. You press .html. That's very important. That's where a lot of you went wrong in class. If you don't do that, then the web browser won't know that you want it to be a website, basically. And you press save. Okay, so that's the basic website setup, but at the moment it's just going to be a blank website. Okay, next step is to actually add something into the website. So I'm going to press the tab key, which is above the caps lock key. Now what that does is it indents all of our text so that it's easier to read what we're doing. At the top of the website we have, or at the top of the code I should say, we have something called the head. So like the head of the body, it's going to go at the top. I'm going to press enter a few times and I'm going to close the head tag. Very important, remember to open and close things. Now within that head tag is where I'm going to put the title. So inside the head tag I'm going to have the title tag, so title, and I'm going to close the title. Now so I want to do my website about cities, so I'm just going to write my cities website. Okay, now we're going to have something in the body of our website, so that's the main part. So I'm going to go down to here, I'm going to do I'm going to tab in to indent it. I'm going to write body, press enter a few times and close the body tag. So in between these two body tags I'm going to have whatever I'm going to have on the website. So I'm going to start off by saying welcome to my website about the world's largest cities. Now that's very basic, but if we save this, we should now actually be ready to view this website and see what it looks like. So to do that, you need to go down to your document viewer and find where you saved it. So I was on desktop, HTML project, and here we should have our website come up, and it should come up with, depending on what web browser you use, the Google symbol or maybe the Microsoft Edge symbol. If you double click it, it should open up, and you can see here our basic things. So we've got the title up here, my city's website, and down here, welcome to my website about the world's largest cities. So that's the basis of getting the website set up. I'm going to stop the video there, and if you have any more questions about how to get the website set up, you can email those to me.